Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Due to the holidays, this is a quick, short Dollar Tree haul for you. I hope you enjoy it. You will not believe, probably about the center of the video, what is already out in the stores. On Tuesday, I showed you the Valentine's is out, but something else is out too. So watch all the way through so you can see what's out already. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include 1, 2, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. Wrapping up at the end, I just want you to let me know, which one do you like? Do you prefer me doing the voiceovers, or do you prefer the music, or a combination of both? I would love to hear from you. Be greatly appreciated. The end of the year is almost here. Like I always say, be blessed until the next time and be better than yesterday.